So what is the Arqit proposition then? How does Arqit approach this in terms of its proposition?
Well, I think I think if you stand back very broadly and look at what's happening in the marketplace, there's the kind of do nothing, stay with no security on some IoT and OT devices. There's the current infrastructure of PKI and asymmetric, which people are saying is going to be safe-ish until quantum actually comes along. Although there's debate more broadly about whether that's being broken today in places. You then got quantum key distribution and photonic entropy and complexities of very specialist equipment and distances and other things, but there's investment going there. You've got the post-quantum algorithms and investment moving there, and even NIST saying that it shouldn't really push down that road until 2024. But the last time that was done at scale was RSA, so we know the effect and the time to deploy that. And then there's other novel solutions such as ours that's taking classic cryptography and deploying symmetric keys in a very, very new way across those endpoints and trying to proliferate and give a digital meaning to what was once a pre-shared key network. So I think all these things are out, but I don't think they're really well understood. And I think it's incumbent upon us to help industry and CISOs and CTOs understand the options that's there, the ability to deploy some of these at greatly reduced cost, the ability to de-layer networks, but more importantly, the ability to have real-time inline management of your networks and your endpoints encrypted point-to-point with symmetric keys that we know defeat the quantum age. And as with all things, as we move forward to application layers and software-driven world, we have to start to embrace this, and we have to start to look at our networks and say, how safe are our networks, not how safe is our box? Because again, back to the same point, it's the weakest link in the chain, and it isn't the box that makes the chain, it's actually the network as its totality as you deliver it. And I think what we're trying to do is make customers aware of those, make customers aware of the new technology that we're bringing, the advantages that it can give it, so they can make informed decisions about how to get ahead of current threats and future threats, and to do that in the most economic and timely manner.